Gianni Garcia and Vito Costa, purveyors of fine stationery and office supplies, Padua, Italy, and Oakland, California. Gianni and Vito met quite by accident. Gianni in search of the finest stationery, and Vito looking for unique, well designed office supplies. These two extraordinary men had a passion for the finer things in life. As they traveled in search of the most unique and luxurious stationery treasures, they indulged in the pleasures of life, exploring fascinating places, meeting extraordinary people, and appreciating the beauty of the landscapes and cuisine at every destination. Their lives were filled with joy and grew with every new adventure. In Padua and Oakland, they established thriving businesses providing the finest stationery to those who appreciated the art of writing. Their shops became havens for creativity, attracting artists, writers, and aficionados of exquisite goods. Businesses sought them out to fill the growing needs of their office workers. Gianni and Vito's story was one of love and courage, a tale of two men who defied convention and embraced the beauty of their heart's desire.